All right, what's up, y'all? NFT browser back with another one. I just wanted to show you my wallet, and my progress. So when I first opened up my OpenSea account, this is what I did. I uploaded a personal picture, just playing around with it, and then we'll go right through them. Just so this was me. So basically, the unlockable content, I believe, is that I'm gonna send you the actual picture, something like that, or I delete it. I'm not sure. I don't think there's any, you know, unlockable content. I don't recall. That was such a long time ago. And then this one right here, this portrait, I actually did it for my mom, and the physical is in Dominican Republic. This is the digital version of it. I just priced it at that point. And then just wanted to show you. And then this is my son's. My son did this. He's 9, so he's I got some more pictures that I have to upload that he's done. So he calls this the unicorn gangster. Real creative. He just really freestyled that. And the whole thing behind this is like I kind of want to just store all his drawings on the blockchain, so that way when he does become an adult, he can like actually look back at his drawings because they will forever be on the blockchain. So that's a pretty cool thing that me and him are doing. I gotta upload. He's done like 5 more pictures, so really want to update some more of those. And then this project right here, Medusa Collection. This was something that came across my radar on Twitter when I first started getting involved with NFTs. This is like 2 months ago. So it was like if you joined their Discord and submitted your wallet, you would get a free mint. All you have to do was pay the gas fees, which is the transaction fees. So I was like, oh, cool. And I like this. I actually, me and my wife really like this. We like the colors. There's obviously more different ones in the collection. You can see some right here. I kind of like this shit right here. But mine is pretty cool. And I want to print it out and put it on my wall. Probably put it right here, somewhere around here, because when you're into art, this whole NFT shit doesn't really, it's really not that difficult to to pick your lane in it. And then this right here, I was in on a Twitter space one day, and then they mentioned that somebody had bought one of these. So I kind of FOMO'd, and FOMO means failure of missing out, basically. FOMO. So I kind of went and bought it. It was really cheap at the time, and then I was like, you know what? Let me just buy this real quick and list it for that price. Who knows? You never know. And if it does sell, it sells. So some of them I actually looked, and some of them do, like the real good looking ones, they tend to sell. Matter of fact, we'll check it out real quick, and then we can just come right back to showing you the rest of it, right? So when I check the activity on these, some of them sell pretty high. I saw one, which was a dope one, sell a few days ago for almost like $1,500. Like, look, this one sold, this one sold for $533. So that one looks crazy. And then let's click on it. Like, man, I should have just selected where is it? Damn, I lost it. Oh, here it is. Let's click on it. So I got all my windows open. Let me close these. Let me close these out real quick. So this one right here, that I should have picked something like that, because that looks pretty cool, especially at the price that they were being sold for before. So, some of them tend to sell for high prices. I know, that's a pretty good flip, whoever got that one, So, yeah, and then let's go back, and, that's just like my little journey. So, and then this is my other stepson. He drew this. I was like, I wish he would have drew it horizontal, not vertical. So I have to tell him that for the future. So yeah, pretty dope stuff, pretty creative. He actually drew that on his phone, so very creative. So hopefully he draws some more so I can upload them. Boom. And then, and then I picked this up. I picked this one up first. So I got a Cosmo Dino, which is really cool. I just like the art. I wish I would have got a different one, but I'm happy with this one. It's pretty cool. The red is what's really keeping me happy. Um, you know, it looks cool. It looks decent, but there's some Cosmo Dinos that are fire. Like look at these. I was when I bought on secondary, expecting that during the reveal, I wanted, like, me and my son, we were looking at this, and we were like, yo, if we can get one like this one, the Ninja. He was like, oh, the Ninja looks cool. There's a few of them with like the lasers. Those look crazy. Like they're just pretty cool. When you're doing this, you gotta actually find out what's your purpose in this. You looking to get money, like what? Collect something, because there's different things. There's different forms of collecting things. In the physical world, we collect things. Why not collect things in the digital world? It's not always about a money play. And I collected one of these, and it's gonna be a long-term hold for me. This is not me telling you to purchase any of this. None of this is ever financial advice. I'm just showing you because my journey's on here. So I'm documenting my journey with this NFT stuff, which is a really crazy space, where, oh, look, like this one, those are pretty cool. So hopefully, in the near future, I can pick up a couple more of these. Let's see the activity. Yeah, so they're selling for like $400. Mine, after gas fees, which is the worst. Shout out to the Ethereum designers, in particular Vitalik. That was a very creative way for you to keep getting money. Those transaction fees was crazy. So I was all in like $230. So I'm up a little bit right now. If you minus the $80 in the transaction fee, so I've doubled my money and a little bit extra. So it's just sitting cool. And then we go back. Let's go back to the wallet. And then this one right here, I bought this one, Women Tribe. I bought it pre-reveal. Great project. Like the team is actually gonna execute what they're doing. And let's check the floor price. This came out a few days ago. Obviously, the floor price is a little low right now. I bought in high, almost at $900. Some of them are selling for $1,000. Pretty cool. Look, this one sold for $5,000. Wow, crazy. So let's whoever I actually listed mine. This one I listed. I got no problem. Taking some gains. I definitely listed. So mine is listed for 10 ETH, which is about $26,000. Maybe somebody connects with this. I'm rocking it right now on my Twitter profile, and maybe somebody connects with it. You never know. So that's what's in my wallet, and just wanted to make this short video. This is one of my wallets. So I draw sometimes, and I take lots of pictures too. So maybe I'll upload some more photos, and maybe somebody wants to purchase them, man. And you can see that. And now my picks are getting a little bit better. There's a few projects I got my eye on. I mentioned them before in the channel. So if you want to browse around there and check upcoming NFT projects and stuff like that, there's a lot of projects coming out that are pretty good. And I just don't have ETH right now. I don't have any ETH right now. It's the end of the month. It's what is it? Today's the 23rd, short month. So got to get ready for the rent, and be realistic. I don't have money to blow on this like a lot of people do. And hopefully my Women Tribe does go through. Maybe it sells and I'll have 25K to actually start getting involved in this NFT stuff and take it to a next level. You never know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Keeping it honest with you, full transparency. I'm not gonna put like I laugh a lot when I'm on YouTube and I see these thumbnails, like the shocked faces, like with the writing. Like, I don't even understand. Clickbait is crazy. I'm just keeping it real with you, because I plan on sticking around for a while. This is not like me just doing it momentarily. I'm actually sticking around because I invest. I invest in real life things, and I invest in digital things, which stocks are digital and NFTs are digital. A lot of people collect cards. A lot of people collect books. A lot of people collect toys. It's different types of collectors around this world. So, and this is one of the things that I'm collecting. I collect land. I have land. So this is just part of my portfolio, widening my portfolio. And I know maybe this might not be the most entertaining channel, but I'm giving it to you 150, which is 150% like transparency, full honesty, and I plan on sticking around and documenting my journey. Yeah, I don't do videos every day, but I do one at least every 2 to 3 days. I'm dropping you a video. Just wanted to show you this wallet, and I'll do another video with my other wallet. I think I have like 3 more over there. So, so if you add like actual value, which it'll be this one, the Medusa, the Women Tribe, the Cosmo, that's like that right there is like 1,800, and then I have another one which is worth about 500. So yeah, I have like almost 2 grand worth of ETH in NFTs. And then everything else was just me messing around, buying crappy stuff, and just getting my feet wet, I'm starting to get a better understanding of how to go about this, and what to look for, and how the behaviors are with when I do decide to maybe just play the holding game, and also the profit game, which is flipping basically. So, because obviously, some of us are in here to make money and some of us are not. So just got to, keep it honest with you. Independent artists are on here to promote themselves, which is a great way. If you're an artist, this is a great way for you to start getting more exposure to your art. You just upload them here, and then you can sell your physicals. And then you have to go on Twitter, Instagram, all these platforms, and engage and start drawing attention to your creativity. So, just wanted to do that, and I'm actually gonna go enjoy the day. It's a beautiful day today. Might go to the park and ride my bike. If you tuned in all the way up to this time of the video, really appreciate it, and thank you to all the subscribers, everybody that tunes in. I'm here. Any questions that you need, don't hesitate. I'm here. I got no problem making a video on it, and that's it. Peace out.